In this video, I'll show you how to remove all files from the current directory using the terminal in Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. Now, make sure you're in the right directory. To check where you are, type pwd. This shows the full path to your current directory. To see what's inside that directory, type ls. This lists all files and folders in that location. If you only want to remove files and not folders, you can use this command, rrm*. This command deletes all files in the current directory. It does not delete folders. If you want to delete everything, including folders and their contents, use this command, rm rf*. Be very careful with this command. It deletes everything in the directory without asking for confirmation. Make sure you are not in a system folder or any important directory before running these commands. You can accidentally remove something important. To double-check, you can run pwd again and confirm that it shows the correct folder. Once you're sure, you can safely run the command. That's how you remove all files from the current directory using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.